you guys, I just got a new squishy at Target. This guy just brought it to me. Let me set you up so you can actually see. Giant banana. Chicken banana. See it standing up here. Doink it, doink it, doink it, doink it, doink it, doink. So squishy. Really good. Okay, that's all for today. Peace.